Hello children, today we will begin with a new chapter in geography, that is chapter number 4, urbanization. So this particular word you have already dealt in your previous chapter also, okay, in migration also, like urban areas and all, isn't it? Those people living in towns and cities are known as a urban region. So today we'll learn more about this particular word, urbanization. So before I begin with the chapter, let me tell you some of the terms which are related in this chapter. First one, settlement. Now, what is a settlement pattern, or what actually is a settlement? Is like there are large number of people living in a certain geographical region where they enjoy the similar types of socio-economic benefit. So this is known as a settlement, like where people live together, okay, enjoying the similar benefit is known as a settlement. And there are two types of settlement, as you know, okay. One is a rural settlement, another one is a urban settlement. So rural settlement means where people living in the village areas are known as a rural population or settlement. And whereas the people living in the urban areas, that's in the towns and cities, form the urban settlement. Okay, so these are the two types of settlement. So now let us move with the word urbanization. Okay, now what actually is this particular term, urbanization? So actually it's a movement of the people living in the villages, okay. Those people living in the village, they move to towns and city. So why they are moving to towns and cities? It means it's such a better facilities, okay. They leave the original home village areas and they move to towns and city. So this movement of people from village areas to the urban area is known as a urbanization. Now in urbanization, it involves like the expansion of the urban areas, or you can say the increasing the size of the urban existing cities. And moreover, what will happen to the population? The number of people in the towns and city increases. Okay, so here you have a definition. What do you mean by urbanization? The process of moving and relocating. So they are moving from the village areas to the, and then they are settling where? In the towns and cities are known as, or is known as a urbanization. So the process of moving and relocating of people from village to towns or city is the word, is the meaning of urbanization. Okay, so now let us see, and this particular urbanization, it's not a new phenomenon. Okay, like in the olden days also, when people they just started cultivating, okay, farming activity and all. So people at that time also, they used to move from one place to another in search of better like what is say facilities like soil, water and all. So wherever they used to get a better soil, water facility, so they used to move to that particular region and do farming. So in that way, slowly what started? Villages came up. Then afterwards again, with the invention of the wheels and all, what happened? It brought the total transformation in the transport sector, and then people started moving from one place to another. So now let's see the causes of urbanization. So number one, better living standard. So in order to enjoy the better living standards or to improve the living standard, people from villages or from the rural areas, they move to towns and cities. Like in the village area, the main occupation of the people is farming. And farming, it depends on the environmental factors like the climate, isn't it? Like suitable temperature, rainfall and so on. So, and moreover, they get a very less income from these sources. So therefore, people, in order to earn more, okay, so as to improve the living standard, people, they move from the rural areas to the urban areas. Then number two, choice of employment. So as you know, in the towns and cities, okay, people, they are provided with ample employment opportunities. That means they get the choice now. They can choose the occupation of their choice. Like they can work in the factory, they can work in as a business, isn't it, in a business, or they can work in the transport sector, banking and so on. So there are ample of choices available for job in the towns and cities. Then the next one is better civic amenities. That means in such better facilities. Now what are the facilities? Number one, you take the example of education. So as you know, most of the good schools, university, colleges, these all are located in the towns and cities. So students, those are seeking for better education, quality education, they move from village area to the towns in order to get the better education. Then second one is the health centers, all the big hospitals, big medical facilities, these all are located where? In the towns and cities, isn't it? So in order to avail themselves with this better medical facilities and all, so people, they leave the village area and they move to towns and cities. Okay, so these are the few causes of urbanization. So now let us see the impact of urbanization. So urbanization, it has both a positive impact also, and at the same time it has a negative impact also. So first of all, let's see the positive impact. So number one, the number of job opening increases as the number of people available for the various type of jobs are more. Okay, so therefore there is an increase in the number of jobs. Okay, then number two, the demand for transport sector increases. So how or why there is a development in the transport sector? Number one, like people, they need to move or they need to go to the workplace. So for that also transportation is required. And secondly, to deliver the goods from one place to another also transportation is required. Then next one, number three, the number of educational institution increases. So as you know that people or the children or the student, they move from village area to the urban areas in order to get a better or the quality education. So in that way, as more students, they migrate to the towns and cities, the number of schools and colleges improves, and at the same time the quality of education will also improve in the towns and cities. Then number four, the quality of health care improves. So the health centers, as you all know, these all are in the big towns and cities. So this health centers, they offer, okay, they try to offer a better services to the people or to the patients, and also in order to attract them. Then next one, opportunity for culture and social unity. Now since people from different place, okay, they live together, okay, having different culture, isn't it? So when they live together, okay, when these people from different area, they come together, what is created out there? I mean, there's an opportunity for cultural and social unity. So these are some of the positive impacts of urbanization. Now let us see the negative side of urbanization. So number one, the cost of accommodation increases. So how the cost of accommodation increases means, since the population will increase in the towns and cities due to the movement of people from rural to the urban area. So therefore everyone, they cannot afford to stay in the costly houses. So in that way people start living in the slum areas. Then number two, increase in the number of vehicles leads to traffic jam. And not only the traffic jam, okay, because the number of vehicles flying over the road will be more, so it leads to congestion, traffic jam, you know that. And secondly, it even leads to air pollution, noise pollution, and so on. Then next one is a congestion. So within since the space is limited in the towns and cities due to increase in population, so people in the small area only, more people will be living. That means within a limited area only, many people, they have to be accommodated. So therefore there will be the problem of congestion on there. The number is unemployment. So the number of people will be more than the jobs, isn't it? So many people, those are willing to work, will be unemployed. And even if they get a job also, okay, they are provided with the very low wages. Then next one, the last one is a crime rate goes up due to unemployment. So since there is a unemployment, in the towns and cities due to increase in population, there's a problem of unemployment. So many people, they engage themselves in like crimes like pickpocketing, or you can say theft and all. So these are some of the negative, the impact of urbanization. So in the next class,